In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coinbase on your desktop PC in 2025. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can get started without a hitch. Whether you're new to using Coinbase or simply want to keep up with the latest updates, this guide will help you get set up quickly and efficiently. First, let's start by navigating to the correct download page. To do this, open your preferred web browser on your desktop. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge will all work fine for this process. In the address bar at the top of your browser, enter the URL www.coinbase.com/wallet. Downloads. Country, PH and currency, PHP and mobile, false and Japan, bespoke, content, false and logged in, true. Once you type in that web address, hit the enter key and you'll be taken directly to the Coinbase download page tailored for your specific location and settings. This will ensure that you're downloading the most appropriate version of the software for your region and currency preferences. When you arrive on the download page, you'll notice options to download Coinbase Wallet for different platforms. Since we're focusing on desktops today, look below the mobile options. You'll find choices for Chrome or other browsers in the form of browser extensions. These extensions are the desktop version of the Coinbase Wallet, designed for easy access and quick transactions right from your browser. Depending on which browser you primarily use, you'll want to download the corresponding extension. If you're using Chrome, you can download the Chrome extension directly from this page. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button, which will initiate the download and installation process. Your browser may prompt you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm that you want to add the extension to your browser. This will only take a few moments. Once the extension is installed, you may need to enable it manually. This can usually be done by clicking on the puzzle piece icon located in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. The puzzle piece icon represents all your installed extensions. Find the newly installed Coinbase extension and pin it for easy access by clicking on the pin icon next to it. This step ensures that the Coinbase wallet is always visible, so you can easily click on it whenever you need to. And there you have it. Your desktop is now set up with the Coinbase wallet. From here, you can start managing your crypto assets directly from your desktop. This setup allows for seamless transactions and monitoring of your digital currency. If you run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to revisit the installation steps or check the FAQ section on the Coinbase website for additional support. Thank you for watching and happy trading.